Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we're diving into Passage Bio's latest filing, and let me tell you, it's a bit of a roller coaster. We're going to see how a company aiming to cure genetic diseases is navigating the twists and turns of the biotech world. Spoiler alert, it involves some tough decisions, but also a glimmer of hope. This is an 8K form, a current report companies file to announce major events. Think of it as a company's way of saying, hey, pay attention to this. This one is dated March 4, 2025, so it's pretty fresh. Passage Bio, the company behind this report, is a biotech company focusing on genetic diseases. They're developing gene therapies, which are basically treatments that modify a person's genes to fight diseases. It's cutting-edge science, but also a high-risk, high-reward game. One of the key things in this report is their financial results for the year that ended in December 2024. Let's see how the company did. To understand the company's financial situation, we can look at the press release the company provided along with this Form 8K. For the year ended December 31, 2024, Passage Bio had some financial results worth noting. Let's dive into the details. At the end of 2024, Passage Bio had about $76.7 million in cash equivalents, and marketable securities. That sounds like a lot, but in the biotech world, it's important to consider how quickly they're spending that money. This cash is crucial for funding their ongoing research and development efforts. Speaking of research and development, Passage Bio spent a significant amount on it. For the year, their research and development expenses were about $34.1 million. That's a big chunk of change, but it shows they're serious about developing their gene therapies. General and administrative expenses totaled about $14.4 million for the year. These are the costs of running the company, including salaries, legal fees, and other administrative expenses. Unfortunately, like many biotech companies, Passage Bio is not yet profitable. They reported a net loss of about $45.6 million for the year. This isn't necessarily a red flag for a company like this, as they're focused on investing in research and development right now. The key is whether they have enough cash to continue funding their operations until they can bring a product to market. The company also updated its corporate presentation. This is where they lay out their plans and strategies for the future. This corporate presentation is like Passage Bio's pitch to investors. It's where they highlight their achievements, outline their plans, and try to get people excited about their future. Before we get into analyzing, a signature is one of the final things to verify on one of these reports. This report was signed by Kathleen Borthwick, who is the Chief Financial Officer. Now let's step back and look at the big picture. What does all this mean for Passage Bio? On the financial side, Passage Bio has a good amount of cash, but they're also burning through it pretty quickly. Their main focus is research and development, which is costly but essential for their future. As a company in the research phase, a net loss is not unexpected, especially when it's being put towards research and development expenses. It shows where the company's priorities lie. One of the biggest risks for Passage Bio is the uncertainty around their clinical trials. Gene therapy is a complex field, and there's always a risk that a treatment won't work or could have unexpected side effects. Plus, even if they do develop a successful therapy, they'll need to navigate the regulatory process and figure out how to get it to patients who need it. However, Passage Bio also has some significant opportunities. If they can successfully develop and commercialize their gene therapies, they could revolutionize the treatment of genetic diseases and generate significant revenue. There's a huge unmet need for these kinds of treatments, and Passage Bio is well positioned to be a leader in the field. Passage Bio is going through a transition. They are making tough choices to focus their resources on the programs that have the most potential. They have to balance their need to invest in research and development with the need to conserve cash. Looking ahead, Passage Bio's success will depend on a few key things: success of their clinical trials, their ability to manage their cash flow, their ability to navigate the regulatory landscape. Overall, Passage Bio is a high-risk, high-reward company. They're operating in a cutting-edge field with the potential to make a big difference in the world, but they also face significant challenges and uncertainties. So, is Passage Bio a buy, hold, or sell? That's a question for your financial advisor. But hopefully, this breakdown has given you a better understanding of the company and its prospects. Thanks for watching Corporate Decoder. If you found this analysis helpful, please give us a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of corporate filings. Until next time.